Hello, welcome back to the Python course. Today topic is Python indentation. Indentation refers to the spaces at the beginning of the code. Where in other programming languages C or C++ or Java, it is not important to give indentation. But when it comes to Python, it is mandatory. Python uses indentation to indicate the block of code. For example, if I take 5 greater than 2 and I am giving indentation at the beginning of the code, this is indentation. I give some space here. What if in case I forget to give indentation in Python and I am giving my print statement at the beginning of the code itself? It must throw an error. That is indentation error. We may have doubt. How many spaces do we need to give at the beginning of the code? The number of spaces is up to the programmer, and the most commonly we use 4 space, but it has to be at least 1 space. In other programming languages, to indicate a block of code, we use curly braces. But in Python, it works with indentation. Now practically we see how indentation really works. I am giving condition. When I hit the enter, cursor is moving to 4 spaces. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. And I am giving print these 4 spaces is equal to 1 indentation. Now try with 2 spaces. One, two. 2 spaces. Again same. Try with more than 4 spaces. Now run the program. We are getting the output. Now try without giving indentation. Definitely it will throw an error. See, on line 15 indentation error occurred. Just comment these lines and run again. Obviously it works. This is how indentation works in Python.